And from the depths of the abyss, I reached sanity. You can't kill a culture rich in spirit. Let me repeat that again. Let this sink in. And from the depths of the abyss, I reached sanity. You can't kill a culture rich in spirit. So, what's happening right now? Our attention spans are getting pulled in every sort of direction by the media, by the external world, and we're no longer being fucking controlled by outside forces. We're no longer being manipulated. We're no longer falling for the bull. This is just something I've been feeling for a while because I could still feel it. Like, I don't know if it's just me or collectively we're all going through this, but the people pleasing, the putting everything else before our own well-being, before what matters most to us, has been so exhausting and has kept us away from it could be our spiritual path, our creative path, which is also, I feel like that they both tie together. I just feel like we have always been more powerful, especially women, since the patriarchy is really trying to get a hold of us and think it's doing something. It's not. It's just an irritation, and it's just like, ugh, shoo fly, go away, unnecessary. And what you don't give your focus and what you don't give your attention